Hey, what's up guys? D-Man here. Welcome back to the channel. Figured I'd do a quick EDC dump. Since I have you here, let's get right into it, right? Let's see here. What do I have? Ah, man, it gets tight when you start bringing all kind of things. I'll get right to it. Everyone wants to see knives. So, Buck Strider AliExpress titanium handle collaboration. That's right, one of its kind in the world. Modified by DMKusa. So that is that. Put a nice screaming edge on her the other day, by the way. Just looks awesome. Right pocket. Can't go anywhere without a wallet, right? Nowadays, everything is cards and some cash. If I see a yard sale or two. What else is in here? Come on, get out of here. It's being stubborn. I'll wait for that one towards the end. That's another knife in there. The good old trusty cell phone. Everyone has it. Samsung, by the way. Also in the left pocket. Today I'm carrying my lucky coin. That's right. Let me get it down here so you can see. Also, I made that nice sheath for it. And here we go. Okay. Also, in my left pocket, lighter. Got the Zippo with the butane. You're wondering, why do I have this? I'll show you in a bit. Because I don't smoke. And if I did, I'd be smoking a lot. Keys. That's right, keys. Nothing too crazy. I do have a secondary can't even talk, knife on there. Swiss Army knife. A little Victorinox. All blacked out. Okay, that's my left pocket. And my right pocket, lastly, I think, is this little unit here. I also made this sheath. Nice little pocket caddy. I have here a fountain pen by Kaweco. That's a really nice pen, by the way. Highly suggest that pen. Flashlight. 2 mode only. From Olight. I think that one's I don't know if it's brass or is it copper. I don't know, I forgot. It's not the common one, put it that way. And lastly, the knife. And I love this knife, oh man. One of my favorites. A little tight in there. So anyways, there's that sheath again, before I show you the knife. And I put a little skull bead on it. Right? And it is a Viper from Northfield knives. Beautiful knife. I modified it as soon as I got it. I acid etched it, and then I sent it her. That's right, because she was off, and I don't like knives like that. And she is on point. I'll show you this down here. She is on point. Beautiful knife. Absolutely awesome knife. She's a looker. Anything else? Oh, I almost forgot my Sasquatch chapstick. Shout out to that. It's wintertime. It's wintertime. You need that. And lastly, well, one is I am carrying. I'm not going to take it out. Okay. And now, I said lastly, but truly for that Zippo, truly what that Zippo's for, it's for tonight. You gotta celebrate, right? So here's a Roman candle. Just one firework of many other fireworks. I have a stash. Anyways, yeah, so that's that. So that's what I'm carrying. Wow, it seems like a lot of stuff. But it is what it is, right? All right, with that being said, you guys have a great New Year's Day. Hopefully this year coming up will be a blessed one for you and your family. With that being said, thank you for all the views, all the comments, all the likes, all the dislikes, all the negative comments, because you are special, my friend. Until the next year, take care.